I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling filter keys so the system ignores accidental keystrokes. Open Settings, go to Ease of Access, then Keyboard. Once there, flip the filter keys switch on. Make sure to enable the shortcut. Hold the right Shift key for 8 seconds so you can toggle it quickly. This first step reduces chatter from jittery typing and prepares you to customize thresholds. Once done, you'll move into adjusting response times. Those settings shape how forgiving the keyboard should be. Now you refine how filter keys behaves by adjusting timing controls. You change repeat delay and repeat rate to control how long a key must be held before repeating. This prevents accidental repeats. Next, enable slow keys or bounce keys if you need to ignore brief taps and debounce noisy keys. These are crucial for tremor or hardware issues. Test immediately in Notepad or another editor. Once you see the effect, tweak values in small steps, 50 to 500 milliseconds, until typing feels reliable and natural. Finish by saving your preferred settings and confirming the toggle shortcut is active. This gives you instant control. Make sure to reboot if some changes don't take effect, and verify drivers and USB connections when using an external keyboard. If the keyboard still misbehaves, try another keyboard to rule out hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip. If filter keys seems unresponsive, temporarily disable it, reboot, then re-enable. This often clears conflicts and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.